Hello student, good morning. Today we have already started chapter 5 class 9 advanced math. We have already done the binomial formula, expansion of binomial expression using Pascal triangle, special product type formula we have all done. Today we will start the factor formula, special harder factor. What you can say, nothing is harder here, but the chapter name is given harder factor. So today we will start factor formula. The first formula, factor formula is AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC equal to this. Both are same almost, but in different way. And when you write this opposite, converse, then this equal to this factor formula and this equal to this product formula. So you need the proof here also. So you can take the left hand side and multiply, you will get the proof. We have already explained the proof in the previous class. Okay. So you can see the proof of this factor formula from there. You can take the left hand side, you will get right hand side, which is already done in the last class. But since factor formula starts from here, so I have started from here. Okay. So proof you can see from the previous class, but from this formula there is a corollary, very important. What is number one? If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then AQ plus BQ plus CQ will be 3ABC. This is the corollary, comes from these two formula only. Based on this formula, that's why it is called corollary. But this is very widely used, so I want to give you the proof. So you can start the proof. Since AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC, this formula, A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus B. Take this formula. It is already given that A plus B plus C equal to 0 into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus, which will give you 0. 0 into anything 0. What is 0? This equal to 0. Okay. So therefore AQ plus BQ plus CQ equal, if this is equal to 0, so what is this equal to? Transpose this side. So 3ABC. Either from this or from anyone you can do it. One more corollary is there. Here you need to find the condition. Under what condition? No, first, if A plus B plus C is not equal to 0. This is if A plus C equal to 0. But why? It may not be always 0, no? And AQ plus BQ plus CQ is equal to 3ABC. Then we need to find the condition. Under what condition this is possible? A plus B plus C not equal to 0 and AQ plus BQ plus C equal to 3ABC possible under what condition? The condition is A equal to B equal to C. We need to prove this. Okay. So see the proof. Not difficult, very easy. Name is only harder factor, but very interesting. Since we have AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC equal to B, this time we are using this, is equal to half into A plus B plus C into A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus C minus A. We have already this formula, okay? Better write this one. Since AQ plus BQ plus CQ equal to 0, just 1 minute, let me do it properly. AQ plus, what is given? AQ plus BQ plus CQ equal to 3ABC is given. So this we can write AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC equal to 0. Now better write the formula. Anyone, either you can write first or second. So I am writing this one. Here, this equal to, we have got 0. So for this we have the formula half into a plus b plus c into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. This is equal to 0. Okay. Now see here, product of this and this equal. This is a half, so cannot be 0. Since a plus b plus c already not equal to 0 and half, so cannot be 0. So only we have this option. What option? Therefore, a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus. Understood this? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is given. Transpose this side, you will get 0. For this, we have the formula half this one. Write down this. In the question only, it is given that a plus b plus c is not equal to 0 and half, to how can be 0? So we have only this option. This into this will be 0, either this equal to 0, which is not possible according to the given condition. So only one option is left, this equal to 0. Understood? Now see, I should omit here now, it is not required now. Now see, all these are a squared number, and a squared number are always non-negative, and sum of such three non-negative numbers will be equal to 0 if all the numbers will be equal to 0 separately. So you need to write since a square of any real number is non-negative. So this is only possible if a minus b whole square equal to 0. All the three should be equal to 0. All the three terms should be equal to 0. Then only this will be possible. Sum of these three will be 0 if all the three are 0, because they are all squared numbers, and a squared number is always non-negative. None of three will be negative. Here, 2 plus 3. At least one will be negative, then only will get 0. But if all are positive and equal to 0 is already available here, so it is only possible if all the three equal to 0. Understood this? If a minus b whole square equal to 0, then a minus b equal to 0, then a equal to b. Let it be equation 1. If b minus c whole square equal to 0, then b minus c equal to 0, then b equal to 0, let it be 2. If c minus a whole square 0, so c minus a is also 0. So c equal to a, let it be 3. So from 1, 2 and 3, what we will get? A equal to b equal to c. So, okay, these are the corollary based on the factor formula number 1. Okay, this is all about number 1 factor formula. Now number 2 factor formula we will start now. In the book it may not be same number, but number is not important. We are discussing the other factors formula. So next is a plus b plus c into ab plus bc plus ca minus abc is equal to a plus b into b plus c into c plus a. This also we need to prove. Okay. So take the left hand side. Left hand side equal to a plus b plus c into ab plus bc plus ca minus abc. Into there, so we need to multiply. Okay. So multiply now. A into ab, a square b, a b c, a c a squared, and multiply it with ab squared plus b squared c plus abc, ca into b. Now multiply with c into ab, what you will get again? abc plus bc square plus c square a minus abc was there, so one abc is cancelled. So what is left? A square b plus ca square write down plus ca square write down, and what is left? abc 2 times left, so you can write twice abc. We have written this, we have written this, we have written what? This what is not written? A square B CA square twice ABC plus what is left? ABA square plus BCA square plus CA square A. Okay, how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. Okay. From this, what is common? A square, what you will get? B plus C. From this, something is we have not written. BC square written. B square, B square C not written. Okay. Now, from these two terms, what is common? A square, what will get? B from this two term, what is common? This three term, A here, A here, A here. You can take A common. What is left here? B square. What is left here? C square. What is left here? Twice BC. From this two, what is common? BC to what you will get? B plus C. So this is A square into B plus C. And this is to B plus C whole square formula. Okay. And this is BC into B plus. See, in all the three terms, we have B plus C is common. What is left here? A square. What is left here? See, from B plus C whole square, B plus C is common. What is left here? B plus C. And this is already common, so only BC is here, okay? This is B plus C into A square. Remove the bracket. What you will get? AB plus A into C, CA plus BC. Now this is B plus C. Now in these two terms, what is common? A, what you will get? A plus B. This is very clear. C is common. What is left? A plus B. This is B plus C. Again A plus B is again common. A plus B. What is left? A plus C. You should write C plus A. I already explained you the cyclic order. Cyclic order means this. A, B, C. So first you should write A plus B. B plus C, C plus A or minus also in it. This is only but better way write down A plus B into B plus C into C plus A. This was the right hand side, okay? So this is not difficult. Now number 3 we will go now. Question number 3 now. Formula number 3, sorry. Formula number 3 is A into B square plus C, A square into B plus C plus B square into C plus A plus C square into A plus B plus twice AB is equal to this only. Right hand side is same only, okay? We need to also prove this one also. So start the proof, take the left hand side. A square into B plus C plus B square into C plus A plus C square into A plus B plus twice AB. First term leave as it is, okay? And remove the bracket. B square C plus AB square plus C square A plus BC square plus twice ABC. Almost similar only. Okay. You understood why we have left this? Because other three we try to form in the B plus C. Try to convert in the terms of B plus C. First see these two. In these two what you have common? Very clearly BC is common. From here BC out, what will get? B. From here BC out, what will get? C. Now we have left three terms, okay? In all the three terms, we have A is common, plus A. What will get here? B square plus C square plus twice BC, okay? A is common, B twice BC. So this is A square into B plus C, this is BC into B plus C, this is A into B plus C whole square. See, we have all the three terms, B plus C is common. So take out B plus C, what you will get? A square plus BC plus A into B plus C. This is B plus C into A square plus BC. You need to remove this bracket. What you will get? AB plus CA. So B plus C is there. From anywhere, what you want? C, can you take C common here? B is common here. So take B common, what you will get? C plus A. And from these two terms, what is common? A is common. A is common. What you will get? C plus A. So B plus C, C plus A, B plus A, you can write A plus B, and this is the right hand side. Okay. So number proved. But this is not difficult. These are easy only. Though you have advanced math in class 8, they might have done also advanced math in class 8 if you have done then. Okay. Number 4 we will go. Number 4. Number 4 we have BC into B plus C plus CA into C plus A plus AB into A plus B plus twice ABC equal to same. Proof is also almost similar. To start the proof, take the left hand side BC into B plus C plus CA into C plus A plus AB into A plus B plus twice ABC. First term will leave as it is because we need B plus C here, no? B plus C, then remove the bracket C square A plus CA square plus A square B plus AB square plus almost similar proof like previous one. So this is BC into B plus C. Okay. From this and this, what is common? See, A is here, A is here, A is here. Just like previous one. What is left here? B squared. Here plus C squared plus twice BC. Okay. From these two terms very clearly A square is common. A square will get C plus B, which you can write always B plus C. So just similar will become B plus C and plus A into B plus C whole square plus A square. Okay. A square into B plus C. Now if all the three terms we have B plus C common, so take out B plus C, what you will get? BC, and here B plus C whole square, 1B plus C common. So A into B plus C, remove the bracket AB plus CA plus A square because B plus C is already common. Now B plus C, from here can you take common B? What you will get? C plus A. From this two, can you take common A? What you will get? C plus A. This and this should be same. Then that means you are going correctly. So B plus C, again C plus A common, B plus C we are getting, we can write A plus B, and this was the RHS. So this was number 4. Similarly number 5 we have number 5. A into B square plus C square plus B into C square plus A square plus C into A square plus B square plus twice ABC is equal to same thing only. Okay. So take the left hand side. A into B square plus C square plus B into C square plus A square plus C into A square plus B square plus twice ABC. This time we see from here we can't take B plus C common, so we need to remove all the brackets. So remove the bracket AB square plus C square A plus BC square plus what we will get? A square B plus CA square plus B square C plus twice ABC. Now we will take common from here, here and here first. See, in all the terms have all the three terms have A common, so we can take A common. What we will get? B square plus C square plus twice BC. From these two terms, what is common? BC. What we will get? B plus C. B plus C. And from this two terms, very clearly A square is common. What we will get? B plus C. So this B square plus C square plus twice BC the formula of B plus C whole square. This is BC into B plus C plus A square into B plus C. Okay. Now, see all the three terms again we have B plus C common, so we can take B plus C common. What is left here? See, B plus C whole square. B plus C is common, then 1 B plus C is here. A into B plus C, remove the bracket, what we get? AB plus CA plus BC plus A square. So this is B plus C. Can you take A common from here? We get B plus C, so already this is not needed. So better you take common from here, here and here. What is common? A is there. From here you take A common, what will get? A plus B. From here C is common, so what you will get? A plus B plus C is common. Okay, so B plus C, then A plus B is here common again. A plus B, you will get A plus C. You should write C plus A, and this was only the right hand side. Okay, so this is the formula number 5. Now we have formula number 6 now. All these 4 formula we have right hand side same only. Okay, now we will other type of formula. Just 1 minute. Next number 6. This time A square into B plus C plus B square into C plus A plus C square into A plus B. This time instead of 2 ABC we will have 3 ABC. Then formula will be A plus B plus C into AB plus BC plus CA. Okay. This is even easier. Take the left proof. Take the left hand side. A square into B plus C plus B square into C plus A plus C square into A plus B plus 3ABC. Left hand side, remove all the bracket. Okay. What will get? A square B plus CA square plus B square C plus AB square plus C square A plus BC square plus ABC plus ABC plus ABC. 3 ABC we have done 3 times. Okay. See, from this and this. Can you say what is common? Here is also AB. Here is also AB. Here is also. To take out AB. From here you will take out AB. What you will get? A. From here you will take out AB. What you will get? B. From here you will take out AB. What you will get? C. Okay. Now from this and this. Can you say what is common? Here is BC, here is BC, here is BC. So we can take BC common. What we will get? A plus B plus C. So we will take BC common, we will get B. We will BC get common, we will get C. We will take BC common, we will get A. And then remaining 3 terms, see very clearly CA is common. We take CA common. From here we will take CA common. What we will get? A. From here we will get CA common, what you will get? B. And from here we what you can get? So in all the 3 terms, what is common? A plus B plus C. So you can take A plus B plus C common, what you will get? AB plus BC plus C. Yeah, this was the right hand side. Number 7 now. And this is BC into B plus C plus CA into C plus A plus AB into A plus B. This time again 3ABC. Formula is same only. A plus B plus C into AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, now take the left hand side. Take the left hand side. Almost similar proof. Take the left hand side. What is left hand side? BC into B plus C plus CA into C plus A plus AB into A plus B plus 3ABC. Remove all the bracket like this only. So B square C plus BC square plus C square A plus CA square plus A square B plus A. And this 3ABC, you know, only will write 3 times ABC plus ABC plus ABC. Now, from here we'll start. See, from all these 3 terms, what is common? Very clearly AB. So take AB common, you will get A plus B plus C. From this, and anyone, this. What is common this time? BC is common. So you will take BC common from here. What will get here? A. From here BC is common. What you will get here? B. BC is common. What you will get? C. And remaining 3 terms here. This, and last this. What is common? CA. CA is common. If you take CA is common from what will you get? A. If you get CA is common from what will you get? B, and here C. Again similarly all the 3 terms A plus B plus C is common. So what is left? AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA. This was the right hand side. Okay. One more is there. Number of this type. One more is there of this type. Okay. Number 8, A into B square plus C square plus B into C square plus A square plus C into A square plus B plus 3ABC is same only. Okay. Now take the left hand side proof. A into B square plus C square plus B into C square plus A square plus C into A square plus B square plus 3ABC. Remove all the bracket, just similar. What you will get? B C square plus A square B plus C A square plus B square C. And this you break it 3 times, ABC plus ABC plus, these 3 formula are almost similar, okay. See here, from there AB is common, AB is common, AB is common, so take AB. If you take AB common from here, you will get A. If from here AB is common, you will get B. From here AB is common, you will get C. Now from this, and this, what is common? BC. What you will get? BC common, then A, BC common, then B, BC common, then C. And last 3 terms, so very clearly CA is common, CA is common, CA is common. So take out CA is common, what will get here? A, CA is common, what will get here? B, and here C. So again A plus B plus C is common. What you will get? AB plus BC plus CA. This was the right hand side. Okay. These are the formula for 2ABC and 3ABC factor formula with all positive quantity till now. We have nothing in minus there. So next we have formula for the negative, and that will be more important now. So we have another factor formula. Number 9, can you clear it now? Number 9, formula is A square B minus C plus B square C minus A plus C square A minus, in this formula we know of 2ABC and 3ABC. Formula is minus B minus C into C minus A into A minus B. You can write here A minus B, B minus C, C minus A also. Okay, we need to prove this. So take the left hand side, A square into B minus C plus B square into C minus A plus C square into A minus B. First term we can leave as it is, because you know we need B minus C, minus sign is there, okay, B minus C. So B minus C already here, so we will not disturb it. and break all this. Remove the bracket, b square c minus ab square plus c square a minus c. Here, so be little bit careful. This is to just write down b minus c. Can you say from these two what is common? BC very clearly common, plus BC. Now give the importance of sign also. From here BC is out, what is left here? B, and from here BC is out, what is left here? Minus C. Okay, can you see from these two terms what is common? Minus A. Minus A is common. Then we will take out minus A from here. What is left here? B square. And be careful, minus A taken common, C sign will change. C square, because A is already common. You know the formula, b square minus c square equal to b plus c into b minus c. So b minus c is here, b minus c is here, b minus c is here. So b minus c is common. What is left here? A square plus bc minus a. From here we will take out b minus c. You know you will get b plus c, because b square minus c square equal to b plus c into b minus c. We will take out b minus, what is left? B plus c. Okay, give bracket here. Then b minus c. Now remove the bracket, a square plus bc. Remove the bracket, what you will get? Minus ab minus ca, because sign will change. Okay. Then this is b minus c, and now we will take common here. If you take b common from this two term, what you will get? C minus a. And if you take minus a common here, minus a common here, what is left here? C. Again you will take minus common, this plus sign will become minus a. So b minus c into c minus a, what is left here? B minus a. You can't write a minus b. But b must have the cyclic expression, no? Cyclic expression means what? This circle a, b, c to be must have a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. So this is b minus c into c minus. If you write b minus a as a minus b, you need to take minus common, which you should not write here, no, here. And this was the right hand side. Okay. So this is the first minus formula. Then another one also. Next number is now what? Number 10. What you will write? Now next number is number 10. BC into B minus C plus CA into C minus A plus AB into A minus B is equal to, formula is same. Okay. So start the proof. BC into B minus C plus CA into C minus A plus AB into A minus B. First we can leave it as it is, because we required it. We required B minus C here, so leave BC into B minus C, then remove the bracket, C square A minus C A square plus A square B minus AB square. Then this is BC into B minus C. Now you take common. So where will take common? Can you see here? A square is common. Anywhere you can start. Plus A square you will take common. What you will get here? B and here minus C. Okay. From this two, minus A is common. What will get? B A square. Then we will take minus common, sign will change. B square minus C square, you know, B plus C into B minus C. So B minus C in all the three terms. So we can take common B minus C. What you will get here? BC plus A square, and here A into B plus C, because B square minus C square, I told you, B plus C into B minus C. B minus C is already common. What is left? A into B plus C. To remove the bracket, what you will get? AB minus CA will get. So B minus C now common. From here, very clearly A is common, so A minus B. From here, minus C is common. Minus C is common. What you will get? A minus B. So this is B minus C. A minus B is again common. You will get A minus C. Now you know you can't write A minus C. You should write C minus A cyclic. To write A minus C as C minus A, you need to take minus common. So you can write C minus A, minus is common. Understood why minus is common? Because we have written A minus C as C minus A. A minus C, when you write minus C plus A, then minus common, then C minus A. So when you write A minus C as C minus A, we must have minus common, which should not be written here. So this is here, and this was the right hand side. Okay? So these are the some factor formula. In the next class, we will complete all the remaining formula. Okay? So if you understood, please share to your friends. Any doubt, you can comment us. If it is okay, then please like it. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it. See you next class with remaining formula and the exercises. So that's all. Bye bye.